Do you know how to properly clean your hearing aid? It's a question that might seem simple, yet the importance of maintaining this small yet crucial device cannot be overstated. At first glance, the task may appear daunting, but fear not, it's easier than you might think. This guide will walk you through the process, step by step, ensuring your hearing aid is kept in optimal condition. Step 1. Always start by washing your hands. This helps to prevent any oils, dirt, or bacteria from transferring onto your hearing aid. For step 2, it's time to remove the ear mold from the hearing aid body. Do this gently, pulling it away from the hearing aid. Remember, the ear mold is delicate, so handle with care. Next, step 3. It's time to clean the ear mold. Utilize a mild soap solution and a soft, clean cloth to wipe it down. Avoid using alcohol-based cleaners as they may damage the material. Moving on to step 4, it's time to dry the ear mold. You'll want to pat it dry with a clean towel and then let it air dry overnight. Never use a hairdryer or any heat source to speed up this process, as it may warp the ear mold. Step 5 involves cleaning the microphone port. Use a soft brush to gently sweep away any debris. Be careful not to push the debris further into the port. Step 6, you'll want to clean the battery compartment. Open the battery door, and with a dry cotton swab, gently clean the inside. Finally, step 7, once everything is clean and dry, it's time to reassemble your hearing aid. Replace the ear mold and ensure it fits securely onto the hearing aid body. So, to summarize the key points about cleaning your hearing aid, always start by washing your hands. Remove the ear mold from the hearing aid body gently. Clean the ear mold with a mild soap solution and a soft cloth, and let it air dry overnight. Clean the microphone port with a soft brush, and clean the battery compartment with a dry cotton swab. Finally, reassemble your hearing aid carefully. Remember, regular maintenance and cleaning of your hearing aid not only prolongs its lifespan, but also ensures it functions at its best, providing you clear, uninterrupted sound. So take a few minutes each week to keep your hearing aid clean, because your hearing is worth it.